issues associated with transgenic animals. This topic is taken from the chapter of biotechnology and its applications. So, first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of ethical issues. So, ethical means these are the some important rules which are made by the group or any foundations. So basically ethical issues are the rules where the community decides this activity is lawful or not, so it is against the law or it is with the law. Okay, these are the ethical issues. Indian government has set up an organization GEAC, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, which makes the decisions regarding validity of GM research and its use for public utility. Form of GEAC is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. So it is a committee which is set up by the Indian government. This community will make the decisions regarding the genetically modified research. So basically it decides these genetically modified organisms or this genetically modified research is basically safety for the people use or not. Community decides that this genetically modified research or genetically modified organisms are safe or unsafe for the public use or for public services, right? Which may result in the loss of biological significance of animals cannot go beyond regulation. Modify some living organisms for public products and for public utility, right, for public services. So these modification can also create many problems which will go beyond the biological importance. Should never go beyond the regulations and rules. We must and should follow the rules and regulations. So when we modify the living organisms for the public services, it should not create any problems and it should not affect or lose any important animals. Okay. Results may be observed if these organisms are introduced in natural ecosystem. By organisms, genetically modified organisms we modify for our convenience or for our usefulness. So when we introduce this in the ecosystem, the results can be harmful or it can be useful. So genetically modified organisms are sometimes useful and sometimes are very harmful, so they can harm our ecosystem. So sometimes unpredictable results may be observed if these type of genetically modified organisms are introduced in our natural ecosystem. So patents for transgenic varieties also create problems as many indigenous varieties are claimed by multinational companies. Transgenic varieties also create problems as many indigenous varieties are claimed by multinational companies as their own inventions. So let us understand the meaning of patents. Let us take example that you have created one chocolate. This is the chocolate you have created. Chocolates created by you are derived by some other country and they say that these chocolates are created by them, then such type of problems are handled by the government. This is known as patents. So patents is the right granted by the government to an inventor to prevent others from commercial use of his inventions. Okay, so there is no right without the permission of the inventor. So this is known as patent. So patents also create many of the problems. An example to understand this. So, a new variety of basmati was claimed by an American company through patenting. This new variety was actually derived by Indian farmers by crossing Indian basmati with Swami dwarf varieties. Typically, 27 varieties of basmati are grown in India, but multinational companies are claiming that these basmati are of there. So basically, the new variety was created by Indian farmers by crossing the Indian basmati with the Swami dwarf varieties. But American companies say that these all the varieties are of their own creations, so this should be stopped. Neem and turmeric, which have been used for ages in Indian medicines, are also matters of dispute for patent rights. As the new variety of basmati was claimed by an American company through patenting, this new variety was actually developed by Indian farmers by crossing the basmati and semi-dwarf varieties. Similarly, the case was found in India with the neem and turmeric, which is used from the ages in India as medicines. So this is also the matter for patent rights.